wasn't gonna get hit. Hey, where are we going, guys? Where? Disneyland. Try not to hit the thing. Oh God, it's dark. Oh yeah, you ready to party, Garcia? Eat. We can party and eat. It's called Pete. Kidding. Oh yeah, side dishes, empty plate.
Yeah, man.
Tired of the
Like, I was
grill.
waiting off to get it off.
People eating, and Garcia texting. No? No?
Instagram.
Instagram. No, it's all about YouTube, man.
But you have Instagram? Yeah. Dang, we go out and eat so good.
How much did we order?
We ordered 3. 2 or 2.
I really hope I can eat all this.
Don't worry, I am super hungry.
Okay, good.
Don't move your hands. I pinched my spell.
Oh no, you can do it, Iron Chef Garcia. I want to pretend to be Garcia.
Oh, they're smoking my face and you can't see it on the camera. You don't know how much I'm suffering right now. Well, I could say.
Oh God.
Did I sign that? I don't think I did.
So I have to sign for my cash.
Wait, let me see if I can sign it.
Oh my God.
Are you filming me?
Oh my God. I'm so afraid.
I'm sorry.
God, you didn't even get my permission. Garcia, I just want you to know. I just want you to know that you're absolute You're a troll. You're terrible.
My eyes. I'm so beautiful. The camera broke me.
What? What's that?
Wait, your camera's so ugly. It broke me.
Too late.
Was that a mirror? Or the camera? You know what? You didn't let me talk in front of the camera.
It's a unicorn.
Literally a unicorn of Blockbuster.
It's a dinosaur. Alright, enough of this. Say goodbye. Do we have a good adventure? Yes. Okay. Alright. Bye.